Imagine a hot air balloon is just about to rise, you get all excited and you're ready to jump in, and you're also thinking that it's going to start soaring high into the sky. But moments later, the gas runs out and it comes down crashing. That's exactly how a fake out happens in the real markets. Today, let's learn how to safeguard ourselves from these kind of fake outs and also learn how to spot breakouts. Hi, I am Pranav VK, an NISM certified trader and trainer, and you are watching Stockshaala by Kotak Securities. Kotak Stockshaala is an educational initiative by Kotak Securities to make sure that you are learning about the markets efficiently. In the last video, we learned how the price moves within a channel. But what happens when it breaks out or breaks down from this channel? Let's decode that in this particular video. A breakout happens when the price moves away from a well-defined level, a resistance or a trend line. If a price crosses a specific resistance level or a trend line with strength, then that is when it is called a breakout. It signals a potential start of a new trend or a momentum phase. But here's the catch, not all breakouts are real, and that's why we need to understand what are fakeouts. A fakeout happens when the price breaks but immediately it comes back to the same range. Fakeouts traps traders who enter very early out of excitement, skip confirmations, or even don't understand market psychology. Let's break down what really happens in a fakeout. Retail traders jump in thinking that it's a breakout. Smart money sees this excitement and takes this opportunity to offload big positions. Price spikes, hits stop losses, and then reverses. The result? Fear, frustration, and regret. It's not manipulation, it's just liquidity hunting. Let's see an example of fake out on a real chart. Here, I've taken an example of Birla Corporation on a one-day time frame. Here, as you can see, this is the resistance line. But here there was a breakout away from the resistance, but in the next few days it rejected that particular level significantly and came back to the same range. This kind of a movement is called as a fake out. There are multiple ways to spot a breakout, but here's the first one. You have to look for strong volumes. Real breakouts are backed by increased participation. What that means is basically smart money or institutional buyers are also participating as part of this breakout, which means the chances of a fake out are much lesser. On the other hand, if the volumes are lower, it increases the risk of a fake out. The second way to spot a real breakout is to wait for a retest. After a breakout, many a times the price comes back to retest the breakout level, and if it holds, that's when you can confirm that the breakout is real. The third way to identify a real breakout is by using candlestick confirmations like the bullish engulfing, the pin bar rejection, or the bearish engulfing candles at the breakout level. If you are not aware of what are these candlestick patterns like bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing, please make sure to watch the previous videos because we have already covered what is bearish engulfing and bullish engulfing. So if you are not aware, please go ahead and watch them. The fourth way to spot a real breakout is by using higher time frames. Let's say, for example, you see a breakout on the 5 minutes time frame. But then for a confirmation, you can zoom out on the charts to a 30 minutes time frame or a 1 hour time frame, or sometimes even a 1 day time frame to confirm the breakout and its reliability. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. We learned breakouts, price escaping a specific range with momentum. We also learned what are fakeouts, deceptive moves by these prices wherein it goes above the range and comes back to the same region. We also learned how to spot real breakouts using volumes, using retests, using candlestick confirmations, and also using higher time frames. Breakouts can be really powerful only if you understand the psychology behind them. In the next video, we are going to bring in a new weapon, volumes, the market's lie detector. We learn how volume exposes what price cannot, the truth behind every move. Like this video if it saved you from a trap. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I am Pranav VK signing off and you're watching Stockshaala by Kotak Securities.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.